four-wheel drive Daytona Project frame is sitting on its own springs, so that's good. I got the frame kind of patched up here where all the bad spots were, for the most part. Well, if you'd call that patched, I mean, I don't know. That's just flicked a bunch of metal boogers on there and kind of stayed where it was, so I'm going to leave it that way. I'm going to grind it down a little bit because I think it's going to interfere with the spring just a hair. It'll be alright. So we got the back spring hangers hooked up, so it's sitting pretty much on the configuration. It's going to, yeah, I know those welds are ugly too, but they're not structural. It's sitting on pretty much the configuration it's going to be in. These are kind of ugly, but they work, and I'll probably have to redo that one. These are slightly structural. They're not really that much, but it'll work. I kind of triangulated it so that we'd have a little more strength to it. Added these little plates to come down off here. And I don't know, I guess it'll hold pretty good. It does seem to be, I put some pretty good amount of weight on it, and it just sort of bounced up and down like it's supposed to. Didn't really make any crunchy noises or anything, so that's good. At least I'm assuming it's not supposed to make crunchy noises like the rest of my stuff does. This is kind of high in the back, but that's okay because it's going to sit kind of high in the back and hopefully look good like that. So yeah, it's off to come along. It's sitting on its own weight now, or it's sitting on its own springs. I got a few more things to do to it, and then I got to start working. I got to put a motor and transmission in here, and start hooking the drive shafts and junk up. Probably re-angulate these this rear end so that it points up toward the transfer case is going to sit here. That's going to be kind of sharp, but I'll have to figure out a way to do it. And that's pretty much it. Make a new cross member for that. That's not a problem. I got plenty of steel and plenty of crappy Harbor Freight wire. Flux core. And get the drive shafts for this. Get all the motor and everything in there. And I can drop the car on it. Hopefully figure out a way to hook the car up to what's left of this here frame. Yeah, I'll get it. Well, there she be. There's my handiwork. This side that got mostly rusted off in the middle. No weak spots. Yeah, there's weak spots. Oh well. Yeah, at least I traded a car that wasn't worth messing with for something that probably wouldn't be worth messing with for somebody else, but is for me. So that's good. Alright, I shall see you later.